Hi, boys and girls. Recently, we have been learning how sound is created by vibrations. Today, we are going to do a little experiment to see how vibrations can be seen, heard, and felt. Okay, we are going to make our very own kazoo. Okay, now you can watch me make mine, okay, and we'll chat all about it. Or if you would like, you can make one at home too. Okay, this is what you're going to need. You're going to need wax paper. You're going to want to ask an adult that's home with you if you're going to do this to help you find out supplies, okay? A toilet paper roll without the toilet paper. Scissors. Okay, your scissors will be much smaller than mine. A rubber band. It can also be a small rubber band that you would use in your hair if you can't find one like this. And a pencil. Okay, so again, wax paper, toilet paper roll, scissors, pencil, and rubber band. All right, if you would like to do this with me, pause your video right here and go find these things. Okay, come back when you have them all. If you are going to not make your own and just watch me, keep watching. Okay, let's get started. So first I have my toilet paper roll here. Okay, and the first thing I did was I took my pencil and about 2 inches from the top, I carefully made just a little hole in my toilet paper roll. Okay, just like that. Just one. Okay, then I got my wax paper here. And we just need a little bit of wax paper. I'm just going to shoot about this big. You might need an adult to do that for you too. Okay, so this is actually way more than I need, but this is how much I chose. So if you want to pick a smaller piece than this, you can, but you absolutely do not need a piece bigger than this. Okay. All right, and I'm going to cut. Not too big, not too small. Like this. Okay. Now I'm going to grab my toilet paper roll, and the side that has the hole a little closer to the edge, okay, I'm going to place my wax paper on top. Okay. And now I'm going to cover the top there so it looks like this. And I'm going to take my rubber band and put it over the top and make that wax paper nice and tight over the top of my toilet paper. This can get tricky too, so don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. Okay. Again, I want to make sure that my rubber band covers all of my wax paper and that it's holding on all the edges. Okay, do you see how it's nice and tight? And my hole here, I'm making sure my hole is not covered. Are you ready? Try humming. Okay, we just use our vocal cords here. Can we hum? Ooh, did you hear that? It got louder. When you hum into the kazoo, vibrations from your vocal cords down here from your voice travel through the tube. So the air inside the tube begins to vibrate. Did you hear that? How it got louder? That is when it reached the edge here and the wax paper started to vibrate too. And that amplified it. That means it made it louder. Okay, the wax paper on the end of the tube creates more vibrations by making it even louder. Whoa. Okay, now take a look at the hole here. I'm I'm going to cover the hole. Okay, when the hole is open, when it's not covered, okay, the air can move more freely. When the hole is covered, it cannot. Okay, when the air is open, the air can travel more freely and the kazoo sounds louder. Okay, when it is covered, it does not sound as loud because the air cannot travel as freely. Okay. All right, so if you have one at home, if you've made one with us, you can play around with that and experiment. I wonder what would happen if we made another hole in it, or even 3 holes in it. Interesting. I also wonder what would happen if we didn't use wax paper. What if we tried it maybe once with like foil or paper or different kinds of things to see if the sound changed, okay? Because we know that the sound that we heard, okay, it is amplified, it got louder from the vibrations, okay, that the air inside that we created with our voice made the wax paper vibrate. Okay, so if you'd like to experiment a little more with that, you can. All right. Well, good job, boys and girls. This was a fun experiment with sound today. I hope you enjoyed it. And again, if you made it at home, keep experimenting. Let me know how it goes. Bye.